Hey guys. Oh, Jesus, I look a mess. I thought I did something. So, oh, why did I come on here? Okay, so it's been a while. I think the last video I made was in May of this year, 2020. It is now December. And I guess I could do a quick update. Um, so instead of me starting my esthetician classes in May. They didn't have a class in May, apparently. I thought they did, but they didn't. So I ended up starting in June. And so it's June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So I've been in the program for 7 months and I love it. It's been amazing. I met so many amazing women. And yeah, that's that. I dyed my hair. If you can tell, like a little bit of the red, it's way more red. Let me see if I can show y'all how red it gets. It's I don't know, but it's red. But it grew out a lot. I dyed it, I think, in the beginning of November before I got my braids. I just took my braids out actually. 2 days? Yesterday, maybe yesterday. Oh yeah, you can see it here. So yeah, it's red. It was supposed to be a ginger color, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. So, but it grew a lot. Now it's down to my mole, down my neck. So yeah, I've been sick for like since the 21st. Today's the 28th. So I've been sick for a week. Um, I just started feeling better yesterday. I've been having a fever every day until yesterday. Yesterday, it's been kind of normal since yesterday. And because of it, I haven't been cleaning, and my apartment is a mess. Christmas obviously just passed if it's the 28th. And so happy belated Christmas, or Merry belated Christmas. But my apartment is a mess. I really need to clean. It's horrible. I have my weave just still sitting here from my braids. And I still have boxes from the gifts I got for Christmas. I gotta clean. That's a mess. Look, I still have my little Santa hat hanging there. I gotta take that down. But yeah. I had a call out for one of my trips, which sucked because I was going to Toronto. But I don't even know if they were open, so it didn't really, I don't know. But yeah, I don't know, I just thought to come on here because I haven't made a video in forever. So I kind of wanted to make a little quick update and talk about my esthetician world. This is actually my massage table over here that has all this stuff on it. I kind of been using it as a table because I still don't have one, and I was supposed to get bar stools, and I still didn't get that. So ghetto, I know, very ghetto, but I'm trying. I'm doing everything slowly. I'm not rushing to get everything. So, um, yeah. So since I don't have a trip until the second, because I don't like working the last day of the year and the first day of the year, so I made sure that I did not work on those 2 days. But since I don't have a trip until the second, I guess what I can do is unpack my bags, wash clothes, put stuff away, and then I think I'm not gonna pack this big bag right here. I'm not gonna pack this one, if you can see it. I think I'm gonna pack my smaller one since it's only a 3-day trip. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But in the midst of today, I'm going to clean because it is a mess. It is horrible. It is horrible, 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 horrible. So yeah. there's that. I think I'm just on here rambling, I guess. But so my esthetician stuff. So far, what I have learned, of course, facials. I have learned how to do what I have done. Let's just go there. I have done basic facials, microdermabrasion. I just did dermaplaning a week ago for the first time. My lip look, let me see, I'm having issues. My lips are breaking out. So I put some A&D on my lip because yeah. But microdermabrasion, um I have an LED. I guess I could show some of the stuff that I have without showing my mess. Wait a minute. Where is my okay, that's not it. Oh god. I don't know where it went. I had it yesterday because I was showing my niece. Is it under the hair? Maybe? No? I don't know. Alright, well never mind on the LED. I don't know where I put it. Oh, okay. But this is the microdermabrasion. My sister got me this for Christmas, which I thought was sweet. Oh, and I did an enzyme treatment. So, um, this is the microdermabrasion that my sister got me for Christmas. So, you put the tip on there, and then you start the machine. Just pretty cool. I was happy when I saw it. I was like, oh, shoot. Look at me. Yeah, so there's that. Then the enzyme, this is the only enzyme that I have. It's the papaya enzyme. What this thing be? See, camera be acting up, and it's backwards. See, I don't know, but yeah, this is the papaya enzyme that I use. I used it twice. I used it once on myself and once on a person. So, but right now, I think since I've been sick, I've been breaking out, and my skin has been horrible. I haven't really been taking care of my skin, so I've been looking a little rough, which is okay, especially since I just took my braids out. I've had my hair braided for like a month and a half, almost 2 months, and now I'm back to my hair, and I don't know what to do. But yeah, my hair grew out a lot because I dyed it at the roots, and now the roots are black again, so it grew out some. It's pretty out there, you know. Now you can really see the color. But